What the frick? All right, shout out O'Reilly's for absolutely coming through with this starter, guys. This is a new starter. This thing, they go for like 300 plus. She went back 5 years ago plus to find my records, and I was able to basically exchange mine in for this one, guys. I am super grateful. Shout out to O'Reilly's East Hartford. If you guys need to go somewhere, I definitely recommend going there, dude. They always work with me there. So issues we're having today, guys, with Nighthawk: no crank, no start, like a silent click, full power. I have no idea what's going on with this thing. This car was running prior. I replaced the starter relay, grounded the whole engine. I'm going to show you guys the grounds. I'm going to show you guys everything that I did in regards to this problem. I have no idea what this is. I am absolutely at a stump, guys. Only thing that's different with this car is the ECU, but I had the immobilizer and the keys programmed to this ECU, so my keys are working. I don't think it's an immobilizer issue. What I've gathered is either a starter from the research I conducted and the many people that I talked to. What I gathered is either a starter, a clutch safety switch, or ignition switch. All right, guys, for the update, let's get into it here. As you can see, I have the, well, no, you can't see it, but we'll start off with this. Ground wires. This is my connection for this side, okay? I even grounded from the fuel injector harness to the valve cover, metal. And then I also added, those are my two grounds right down there. So I put a ground on the negative terminal to the motor mount, and then I have a ground from the motor mount to the chassis itself, guys. I think the grounds on this thing are fine. That's my opinion. If I should do anything else, drop it in the comments below, guys. I'm not an electrical pro. I am also not a certified mechanic. So I'm literally, I have an issue here that I'm like stumped on. So I want to show you guys this too. Starter, new starter is in, guys. You could see everything is tight. I inspected the whole wiring harness running up to the starter and everything. I didn't see any type of phrase or any weird phrase or any abnormal things at all. So I think the harness is fine. But yeah, new starter's in. I have the new starter relay. I'm gonna finish plugging everything in here, guys. I gotta reconnect this, and then I'm gonna attempt to start it. I'm gonna show you guys the exact thing in the cab. If it doesn't start, you'll see the symptom in there too. So I'm gonna bring you guys in there. Let me just bolt everything back on, and then we'll hop in the cab and try to start it over. I also must mention that this is a brand new battery from Honda, and I had it tested. It is good to go. All right, everything is back together, as you could see, to the best of my expertise. New starter, new battery. See, the ground wires are all connected up. I'm gonna attempt to start this thing, guys, and we're gonna see what happens. So I just want to show you this as well. Both keys. This key works. And this key works as well. Both keys are working. You could see the, well, it's kind of hard to see, but the red is lighting up, indicating that the keys are functioning. All right, guys, here goes nothing. E-brakes engaged, car's in neutral. I'm gonna go ahead and try both keys. Starters, I'm gonna try this key here. Fuel pumps priming. idea, dude. You literally have no idea how stressed I was about this, guys. This is absolutely amazing. Something that small. So stoked. I figured out the issue. I want to give a huge shout out to the people who helped me narrow down everything. My dad, cousin Josh, Jose, the Honda tech, and everybody who gave me, you know, opinions on what they thought it was. I am going to spend the rest of the day here. I need to let this thing keep running. I'm going to try to get my fans to come on, for the thermostat to open, to get my fans to run, and that's it, guys. I got to get ready for work tonight. So I appreciate all you guys. This feels amazing. If you guys do big engine projects and everything like that, the final startup is the most crucial part, the most important part, the happiest part, especially if everything goes right. It feels freaking great. I feel on top of the world right now. So I appreciate all the support consistently. Be sure to like the video, guys. It helps me out a lot. Drop your comments down below and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you guys soon. And remember, never stop wrenching. The coolant temperature, I have it plugged into my Honda. This is a good tip to make sure your car is not overheating upon the bleeding process. I hope the thermostat opens up. I'm just paying attention to my, obviously my temperature and my temperature on here, and my temperature, my temp gauge on there. Sorry, I can't speak right now. But I have heat coming through the vents, and yeah. I gotta connect this exhaust. It sounds like crap.